Stop scrolling right now. If you think Barndominiums are just plain metal boxes, I am about to completely change your mind. These absolutely stunning modern black Barndominiums prove that you can have luxury, style, and sophistication all wrapped in a steel frame. Today, I am revealing who builds these gorgeous homes, exactly how much they cost, and why black Barndominiums are taking over the luxury home market in 2025. Stay until the end, because I am showing you specific builders who specialize in these jaw-dropping designs and the real numbers you need to know. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Look at these incredible homes. Sleek black metal siding, warm natural wood accents, floor-to-ceiling windows, and modern architectural details that rival any high-end custom home. These are not your average Barndominiums. These are luxury builds that combine the efficiency and durability of metal construction with absolutely stunning contemporary design. I have done extensive research on builders who specialize in these modern luxury Barndominiums, what these high-end builds actually cost, and what makes them different from standard Barndo construction. Everything I am sharing today is verified information from established builders who are creating these beautiful homes right now in 2025. We are covering three main topics. First, what makes these black Barndominiums so special from a design perspective? Second, who the specific builders are that create these luxury designs and what their process looks like. And third, the real costs you need to budget for if you want a stunning Barndominium like the ones you're seeing on screen. This is not about basic kit prices. This is about what it takes to build a true luxury Barndominium that turns heads. Let's dive in. What makes these designs special? Let me break down the specific design elements that make these black Barndominiums absolutely stunning. This is not just slapping black paint on a metal building. These are carefully designed luxury homes. The black metal exterior. Black metal siding gives the home a modern, industrial edge far from typical suburban houses. In these images, you are seeing vertical corrugated metal panels in a deep matte black or charcoal. This creates incredible visual impact and makes the home look sophisticated and contemporary. Warm wood accents. Notice how these designs balance the bold black metal with natural wood elements. Black Barndominiums with wood accents are an all-time favorite, as sleek, elegant metal meets natural warmth. You see wood on the gable ends, covered porches, architectural trim, and even as decorative elements. This contrast prevents the black from feeling cold or industrial. Modern window design. These are not standard barn windows. You are looking at large contemporary windows, floor-to-ceiling glass panels, and geometric window arrangements. Big, bold windows let in plenty of natural light and offer great views of the surrounding landscape. The window placement is strategic to maximize natural light while maintaining the clean modern lines. Architectural details. Look at the roof lines, the covered porches with modern posts, the clean trim work, and the overall proportions. These homes have been designed by professionals who understand how to create visual interest through form and function. The steep pitched roofs maintain that barn aesthetic while the clean lines keep everything feeling modern. Indoor-outdoor living. In image 2, you can see the deck with a pool and modern cover patio space. Modern Barndominium designs seamlessly integrate indoor-outdoor living spaces. This extends your living area and creates resort-style outdoor entertaining. Landscaping and site design. Professional landscaping with maintained lawns, defined pathways, and thoughtful placement on the property. These homes are not just dropped on a piece of land. The entire site is designed to showcase the architecture. The bottom line is these are architect-quality designs that happen to use metal construction. They compete with any high-end custom home in terms of curb appeal and sophistication. The builders who create these designs. Now let me tell you exactly who builds these stunning luxury Barndominiums. I'm giving you specific company names, what they specialize in, and how their process works. Boss Hog Barndominiums, my top recommendation. Boss Hog is a full-service turnkey builder that does everything in-house from design to completion. Boss Hog Barndominiums builds homes that deliver top-tier design, custom finishes, smart home upgrades, and head-turning curb appeal. They specialize in luxury Barndominiums, exactly like what you're seeing in these images. What makes Boss Hog special is they handle everything under one roof. Boss Hog offers everything in-house to get your ideal Barndominium built in any of the 50 states, covering all geographical areas and working with local codes. That means you are not coordinating between an architect, a steel supplier, a general contractor, and subcontractors. They manage it all. Their design process takes 4 to 6 weeks using in-house architects who walk you through every detail. From there, it takes 10 to 12 weeks for structure delivery, and an average of 8 months for the full build. That is faster than most traditional custom homes, which take 12 to 18 months or longer. Boss Hog also offers in-house financing, which is rare in the Barndominium world. They work with financial partners to provide flexible financing solutions specifically for Barndominium projects, which can be harder to finance than traditional homes. For pricing, Boss Hog provides full turnkey designs ranging from $180 to $250 per square foot. That is for complete finished homes ready to move in, not just kit prices. They build in 26 states and ship kits nationwide, including Hawaii and Alaska. Walters Buildings. Walters specializes in creating the high-quality exterior shell with modern design features. Walters Buildings constructed a 36-foot by 72-foot luxury black barndominium featuring sleek black steel siding, decorative trim, and energy-efficient windows. They provide the perfect foundation exterior for you to then finish with a local contractor. This is a good option if you want to act as your own general contractor and manage the interior finish separately. The Barndominium Company, run by Stacy Lynn, known as the Barndominium Lady. This company specializes in luxury floor plan design. She designs steel frame, post frame, and Barndo-esque luxury barndos, specializing in finding and styling Barndo wow into client projects within their budget. If you already have a builder but need exceptional design work, the Barndominium Company creates plans that maximize space and create that wow factor. Steelco Buildings. With over 24 years of experience, Steelco provides pre-engineered metal building materials and custom Barndominium designs. They focus on the structural components and work with you to create custom layouts. Worldwide Steel Buildings. For those who want a more DIY approach, Worldwide Steel supplies building kits nationwide. They are perfect if you have construction experience and want to save on labor costs by doing more of the work yourself. Their kits are designed to be DIY friendly, with everything labeled for assembly. When choosing a builder for a luxury design like these images, here's what you need to verify. Do they have a portfolio of completed luxury barndominiums you can see? Can they provide references from past clients? Do they handle design in-house, or will you need to hire a separate architect? What is included in their turnkey price, and what costs extra? How do they handle permitting and working with local building codes? And what is their timeline from contract signing to move-in? Get detailed written proposals from at least 2 to 3 builders so you can compare exactly what is included and what the total investment will be. Do not make decisions based on lowest price alone. The quality of design, materials, and construction matters enormously when you are building a luxury home. Real costs for luxury black barndominiums. Now let's talk real numbers. What does it actually cost to build a stunning luxury barndominium like the ones in these images? I'm giving you verified 2025 pricing. Per square foot cost for luxury builds. High-end barndominium finishes exceed $150 to $250 per square foot. This is significantly higher than basic barndominium builds, which might be $65 to $100 per square foot. Why? Because we are talking about luxury materials, custom design, high-end finishes, and professional construction throughout. Total cost examples. Let's say you want a 2,500 square foot luxury black barndominium similar to what you see in the images. At $180 to $250 per square foot, you are looking at $450,000 to $625,000 for the complete turnkey build. Luxury barndominiums with custom interiors, high-end finishes, exposed beams, and floor-to-ceiling windows might cost $750,000 to over $1 million. If you go even larger, say 3,000 to 4,000 square feet with extensive luxury features, you could be in the $750,000 to over $1 million range. What does that include? A true luxury, turnkey barndominium at these prices includes professional architectural design with engineering, complete site preparation and grading, quality foundation built to specifications, the metal building shell with premium black metal siding, high-quality roofing system, energy-efficient windows and doors throughout, complete rough and for electrical plumbing and HVAC, spray foam insulation for energy efficiency, High-end interior finishes including drywall texture and paint. Luxury. Flooring throughout such as hardwood luxury vinyl plank or tile. Custom kitchen with quality cabinets, quartz or granite countertops, and high-end appliances. Luxury bathrooms with tile showers, quality fixtures, and modern vanities. Interior doors, trim and millwork. Lighting packages with designer fixtures. Complete HVAC system installation. Finished garage or shop space if included. Covered porches and outdoor living areas. Professional landscaping and driveway installation. This is a complete home ready for furniture, not a shell you still need to finish. Cost breakdown for a 2,500 square foot luxury Barndominium. Let me break this down by category so you understand where the money goes. Land is separate and varies wildly by location, but budget $50,000 to $300,000 or more depending on where you are building. Site preparation, including clearing, grading utilities, and driveway, can run $30,000 to $60,000. Foundation at $6 to $10 per square foot is $15,000 to $25,000 for 2,500 square feet. The building shell, including premium black metal siding and roofing, is $75,000 to $125,000. Windows and exterior doors for a luxury home with large modern windows is $20,000 to $40,000. Interior finishing is where luxury costs add up. High-end kitchens cost $50,000 to $100,000 or more. Luxury bathrooms are $15,000 to $30,000 each. Premium flooring throughout is $20,000 to $50,000. Custom millwork, lighting, and built-ins at another $30,000 to $60,000. HVAC system is $15,000 to $30,000. Electrical and plumbing complete is $30,000 to $50,000. Smart home technology and high-end features add $10,000 to $30,000. Outdoor living spaces and landscaping are $20,000 to $60,000. When you add all of this up for a 2,500 square foot luxury build, you are at approximately $450,000 to $650,000 plus land costs. This aligns with the $180 to $250 per square foot range from quality builders like Boss Hog. How this compares to traditional luxury homes. A traditional stick-built luxury custom home of the same size and quality level typically costs $250 to $400 per square foot, or $625,000 to $1 million for 2,500 square feet. So even at the luxury level, Barndominiums can save you $100,000 to $300,000 or more compared to traditional construction. You also typically build faster, 8 to 10 months versus 12 to 18 months for traditional homes. The metal construction is more durable and energy efficient, and you get that unique modern farmhouse aesthetic that is incredibly popular right now. Why black Barndominiums are trending. Let me explain why these black luxury Barndominiums are exploding in popularity right now in 2025. Modern aesthetic. Black metal Barndominiums make a strong statement of modern sophistication. They look nothing like traditional suburban homes. Black exteriors are trending across all types of architecture right now because they feel contemporary, bold, and unique. Design versatility. A black metal Barndominium doesn't have to feel cold or industrial. It can be customized with trim, windows, roofing choices, and natural materials to match your vision. You can go full modern minimalist, modern farmhouse, industrial chic, or rustic luxury, all with a black exterior as your base. Energy efficiency. The metal construction is naturally durable, and when properly insulated, Barndominiums can be extremely energy efficient. Lower utility bills month after month compared to traditional construction. Some owners report utility costs 30 to 50% lower than comparable traditional homes. Durability and low maintenance. Metal siding does not rot, warp, or require painting every few years like with siding. It is resistant to pests, fire, and severe weather. The black color is a baked-on finish that lasts for decades without fading. Your maintenance is minimal compared to traditional homes. Faster construction. Building a Barndominium takes around 6 months or longer for larger homes with more customizations, compared to 12 to 18 months for traditional custom homes. That means you are in your dream home faster. Open concept living. The open interior space, gives you plenty of options for layout and design, with flexibility for creating your perfect living space. No load-bearing interior walls means you can create massive great rooms, open kitchens, and flowing spaces that feel huge. Unique property feature. These homes stand out. Your property becomes a conversation piece. Whether you are building this as your forever home or as an investment property, the unique design adds value and appeal. Avoiding mistakes with luxury builds. Before you commit to building a luxury barndominium, let me help you avoid expensive mistakes. Mistake 1. Choosing builder on price alone. The cheapest quote is almost never the best choice for a luxury build. You are investing hundreds of thousands of dollars. Choose based on portfolio quality, references, experience with luxury finishes, and communication. A builder who charges 10 to 15% more but delivers exceptional quality and manages the project well is worth every penny. Mistake 2. Underestimating site costs. Land preparation, utility connections, septic or well if needed, and driveway installation can easily add $50,000 to $100,000 to your budget. Get a thorough site evaluation before you finalize your budget. Mistake 3. Changing plans during construction. Every change order during construction costs way more than if you had planned it from the beginning. Spend extra time in the design phase getting everything exactly right. Once construction starts, stick to the plan unless absolutely necessary to change something. Mistake 4. Skipping professional design. Some people try to skip the architect or designer to save money. For a luxury build, this is a huge mistake. Professional design is what creates that wow factor and ensures everything is cohesive and functional. The few $1,000s you spend on great design will add tens of thousands in value to your finished home. Mistake 5. Not planning for contingencies. Always budget an extra 10 to 15% for unexpected costs. Things come up during construction. Having a contingency fund means you can handle surprises without derailing your project. Let me summarize what you need to know about building a stunning luxury black barndominium in 2025. These are not basic metal buildings. They are professionally designed luxury homes that compete with high-end custom construction. The black metal exterior combined with warm wood accents, modern windows, and quality finishes creates an absolutely stunning contemporary look. For builders, Boss Hog Barndominiums is my top recommendation for full-service turnkey luxury builds at $180 to $250 per square foot. Walters Buildings for high-quality shells. The Barndominium Company for exceptional design work. Steel Co. for pre-engineered systems. And Worldwide Steel for DIY-friendly kits if you have construction experience. For costs, budget $180 to $250 per square foot for true luxury, turnkey construction. That is $450,000 to $625,000 for a 2,500 square foot home, or $750,000 to $1 million for larger, more elaborate designs. This is still typically $100,000 to $300,000 less than comparable traditional luxury homes, and you build faster with a more durable structure. The key to success is working with experienced builders who have portfolios of completed luxury barndominiums, getting everything in writing with detailed contracts, spending adequate time in design phase, getting every detail right, budgeting realistically with contingency funds, and not rushing the process. These luxury black barndominiums prove that you absolutely can have a stunning modern home that turns heads while still benefiting from the efficiency and durability of metal construction. This is the best of both worlds: unique architecture and practical smart building. If this video helped you understand luxury barndominiums better, smash that like button and subscribe for more in-depth Barndo content. Drop a comment and let me know if you are planning to build one of these gorgeous homes and what state you are in. I love hearing about your projects. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.